Apex University has officially signed a Memorandum of Understanding with First India News. This MoU focuses on improved learning, creating better opportunities for journalism students. This industry-academia collaboration is an important step for the department as it will connect students more closely with the media industry and provide enhanced opportunities for training, internships and placements. This MoU was signed by Professor Pankaj Kumar Sharma, the registrar at Apex University, and Shishir Awasthi, digital head at First India News. As per the agreement, students will also get practical experience throughout the year by working across print, television, and other media platforms. For students of journalism and mass communication, this development adds strong value to their education and future growth. Dr. Garima Srivastav, head of Apex School of Journalism and Mass Communication, said that Apex University continues to move forward with a clear vision of preparing skilled and confident media professionals.